Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekkalaiva. Now I am going to discuss exercise 9.1. Okay, listen children. See, the basic geometrical ideas already we have discussed in the previous class. What is mean by point, line segment and parallel intersecting, and what is that, circle, opened figure, closed figure, everything we have discussed in the last class. Now we are going to recall the children. Listen, tip of a pencil, which is what, your dot. Okay, tip of a pencil is what, a dot, and a dot I can set to be a point. So I am matching a F here. Okay, here I am matching, see, 1. Tip of a pencil, just when you are go through all this answer, which is a matching for this point. So tip of a pencil is your point. Can you clear this? Now edge of your table. You have just look at your table, what you are sitting the table, just you look at this, see which is the edge of the table is what? Here line segment. Is it clear? So the edge of the table is line segment. Okay. Now surface of a page. Take your maths book children. Surface of a page in a book. Just go through one page. What shape it is? It is a plane. Is it or not? A plane which is having a no thickness, and we can extend in the 4 directions. Okay, we can endlessly extend that. So what is that? So plane, surface of a page in a book is what? Your plane. That is an example for the plane. Okay. Next, shape of a full noun. See, we have seen the full noun. What is the shape of the full noun? Which is circle in shape. So 4th one is circle. A rhombus. Rhombus means what it is? See, this is a rhombus. Okay. Rhombus. And a rhombus is a quadrilateral with a 4-side polygon. Okay. So rhombus, which is what your 5th one answer. Okay. Hexagon. Hexagon is a figure with the 6 sides. Okay, 6 line segment you are having for a hexagon. So hexagon is what? This one. Is it clear? Can you understand the match the following children? Just once if you thorough the definition, after thoroughing the definition, you can match this. Shall I move on to the next one? Listen. Here a figure which is given, and we are going to name that. Okay, what is that? The first answer I am going to write 5 points. Point means which is there is no length, there is no breadth, and there is no thickness for the point. Just point is nothing but what you are keeping a dot like that, no, that is a point. Okay, and second one, lines. What we have discussed in the lines, my dear children, line can extend in the both the direction. Is it clear? Line can extend in both the direction. And ray, 8 rays. In this figure, I am going to write 8 rays. See, what is the condition for rays? I am having the starting point, but there is no end point, which is said to be a ray. Starting point, no end point. Okay, endless, or I can say this word endless. I have said 2 example for you. What is the example, my dear children? What is the example? I said sun as well the torchlight. Is it clear? So now line segments, 6 line segments we are going to discuss in this figure. Line segment means we have the starting point as well as the end point. Line segment is a part of a line. Is it clear, children? So based on this, I am going to write the points here. Okay. Now listen. See, the first answer I am going to write 5 points. See, write what are the 5 points here. I can write A, that is a point means so A and B, next C, next D, as well as O is also a point, and I can say another word for this. So intersecting, okay, two lines, lines are intersecting, that is nothing but what? Intersecting point, here O. Okay, now I will move on to the second one, lines. I said that there is no starting point and no end point in the lines. Okay, shall I write this? See, lines X, Y, okay, comma, PQ. These are the two lines which is given in the figure. And third one, okay, 8 rays. Starting point is there, but there is no end point. Just you can see this. I can write O, B. Listen. O, once again. Listen. I can write OY and BY because O is a starting point and Y, which is what? Endless. Okay. So I can write O, Y, comma, B, Y. Okay. Now from here O, Q as well as DQ, because D is the starting point here and there is no endless in another direction. So for that Q, how can I write this? Listen, OQ as well DQ. Got it? Next, OX and then AX. Got it? See, OX, AX. Next, OP, CP, because here the starting point, there is no end point. So, P. Here C is the starting point and there is no end point in the P. So, how can I write this? O, P, C, P. Okay. See, these are the 8 rays which is given in this figure. Got it? Shall I move on to the fourth one? Now I am going to write the 6 line segments. So line segment means I know the starting point as well as the end point. See the line segment, 6 line segment. Listen, here this is a line segment OA. Okay, OA. Next, OB. See, OB, OD, OC. Okay, OA, OB, OC, OD. Okay, still 2 I have to write. What is that? AB as well as CD. AB as well as CD. So these are the 6 line segments. Got it? So OA, I know the starting point as well as the end point. Got it? Starting point, end point. Here starting, ending. Starting point, ending point. So after completing this, I can take AB is also a line segment because A here the starting point, B here the end point. Okay, which is lying in the lying in the same line. So I have written this to be what? Line segment. And CD. Got it? So it is also a line segment. So in this figure I have discussed the 5 points, 2 lines, 8 rays and 6 line segments. Is it clear? Shall I move on to the next one, children? Now here, name the line given in at least 10 ways, choosing only 2 letters at a time. Here I am going to write 10 ways, okay, and that too what I am going to write only 2 letters. How can I write? I can write A, B, A, C, A, D, A, E. Is it clear? Shall I write like this? A, B, next A, C, A, D, A, E. Okay, got it? The A part is over. Next I will move on to the B. B I can write B, C, B, D, B, E. Okay, B, B, C, B, D, B, E. Okay, the B part is over. Next I will move on to the C. C, D, C, E. Okay, C, D, C, E. Now the only the thing D is there. So D, E. I can write D, E. Okay. See, A, B, A, C, A, D, A, E. Over A part is over. Next I am coming for the B thing. So B, C, B, D, B, E, C, D, and finally C, C, D, C, E, and D, E is there. Okay. So this is the 10 ways I am going to write. Can you clear this? Can you clear this, children? It is in the straight line, what are the points they are given? I am going to arrange in the 2 letters. Got it? Now I am moving for the 5th sum. Okay. List the points that are collinear on the line segment. Okay. A, E. See, list the points that are collinear on the line segment A, E that we are going to mention here. Listen. Collinear means what we have to do? Collinear means a points which is lying in a straight line is a collinear. See, this R, S, T, P, Q is also there, but whether it is lying on the straight line? No. Whether it is on the line? No. Where it is? It is the exterior. Okay, this R, S, T, P, Q are where? It is the exterior. Only A, B, C, D is lying on the straight line. Got it? So, list the points that are collinear on the line segment AE. So, what are the points? A, B, C, D. So, these are the points which is lying on the straight line. So, this R, S, T, P, Q is the exterior. So, I cannot write it to be a collinear. Can you clear this, children? Shall I move on to the next one? Listen. Which of these are closed figures? See, they are given 6 examples here. In that, I am going to tick which one is a closed figure. What is the closed figure? See, where we starts, for example, my starting point is here and I have to end in the same place, then it is a closed figure. Okay, see, my starting point is there. After I am drawing some diagram and I end with the same point, then it is a closed figure. See, here the starting point is here, but the end point is here. Whether it is a closed figure? No. So, and what about the second sum? Starting point is in one place and the ending point in the another place. So, it is not a closed figure. But see this. See, suppose if I am starting here and I will draw the line segment, I end with what? The same point. So, it is an example for the closed figure. Can you clear this? Now, see the triangle 3 line segment. So, where I start, there I end. So, it is also an example for the closed figure. And it is a curve. Okay, curve. Suppose if I start from here and I end with the same point. So, then it is a closed figure. See here, my starting point is one place and my another ending point is in another place. So it is a open figure. Can you understand this, children? What is the difference between the open figure and the closed figure? Okay, shall I move on to the next one? Here, which of the following are polygons? What's meant by a polygon? Yes? Very good. A polygon is a closed figure which is having the line segment which is joining together with the line segment is a polygon. Polygon is a closed figure which is having a 3 or a more line segment together. Got it? See here the line segment is there. What is that? 1, 2. 2 line segment are there, but curve is there. So I cannot consider this is to be a polygon. See here. So for that it is not a polygon. The first one is not a polygon. And come for the second one. Okay. This is a 3-side line segment. So it is a polygon. Okay. So second one is the polygon. Here see that how many number of sides are there, how many line segments are there? 5 line segment is there. So it is a closed figure. Okay, closed, that is polygon. 5 side means pentagon. Okay, in the polygon this is what? Pentagon. See here, this is also there is no curve here. I said that polygon is a closed figure which is having 3 or more line segments. Okay, so this is also a polygon. Here the 2 line segment is there, but what is there? Extra curve is there. So I cannot consider it is to be a polygon. Got it? Shall I move on to the next one, children? See, listen. Now I am moving for exercise 9.2. See, name the vertex and arms in each of the angles. Okay, here I am going to find out the vertex and arms in each of the given angles. Okay, see for example, see. So this is one arm, another arm. See, this is your vertex. Got it? So here, for example, here this is your ray and another ray. Here angles, no? So this is said to be an angle. Okay. So B is an angle and B is the vertex, the 2 line segment. Okay. Here one line segment, or I can set to be a ray. Okay. Join, no? So this point is nothing but vertex. Okay. Common vertex. Can you clear this? So here my vertex is B. Got it? And arms is what? BC and BA. That is your arms. Can you clear this? Can you clear this? So vertex, I said that 2 line segment. Okay, where? So this part is vertex. For example, when I am taking the square. Okay. See. Square having 4 vertex. See, this is a vertex and 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the vertex of the square. 2 line segment where they are joining. No, this part is nothing but vertex. Can you clear this? So here for this, what is the vertex, children? What is the vertex here? X is your vertex. And what is your arms? What is the arms here? X, Y and X, Z are your arms. Got it? Shall I move on to the next one, children? Okay. Listen. Listen. Draw a triangle ABC. I am going to draw the triangle ABC. Okay, the first step what I have read, I will do that. Okay, listen, I am going to draw the triangle ABC. Okay, this is a triangle. Okay, I have drawn, and A, B, C. Okay, draw a triangle A, B, C. So I have drawn the triangle. I have marked the point to be what? A, B, C. Now mark a point P in its interior. See a triangle. So this part is interior. Okay. So I have marked P in its interior and Q in its exterior. Listen, exterior means where? Here also I can keep a dot, or here also, here also. See, a triangle means, listen, this part is interior. Okay. So these parts are what? Exterior. Okay. Suppose, I will give 1 second. Suppose these are, if I keep the dot here, means on a triangle. What is this? This is a on a triangle. Okay. So this is a difference. Interior, exterior, which is lying on the line segment, means it is a on a triangle. Okay. So Q exterior means I can keep Q to be here, or Q to be here, or Q to be here, because all the exterior means I can cover all these things. Okay. Now my first point, draw a triangle, is over, and point in its interior, that is also over, and Q in its exterior, it is also over up to this. What is they are given is a point A. This is a point A in its exterior or in its interior. See that whether the point A is in the interior or exterior. Yes, the point is not in the interior. A is not in the interior or in the exterior. It is on a triangle, because where it is? This is a A. So where? The A is on a triangle. So I am going to write the answer. Listen. Point A is on a triangle. Point A is on a triangle. Next, name the angles in the following figures. See where the angles are formed, that I am going to find out. Where the vertex, there the angles are formed. Is it clear? So listen, where the vertex are formed, there the angles are formed. See here, I can write this in 3 type angles. The first one is what? Angle is formed in the Q. So Q should be in the middle. Okay. Q should be in the middle. I can write RQP. Angle means I am going to write like this. Got it? So RQP, or else I can write, see, I can write PQR. Okay. This is also correct. Or I can write angle Q. See, in these 3 things, what you have written, which is correct. But see, the middle part is what? Q, Q, Q. Okay. So here the angle is formed. Got it? Where the vertex place, there the angle is formed. Okay. Now finally the answer for the second one is here only the given A. So write A alone. Okay. So here the angle is formed. They didn't give the names for the arms. So for that only write A alone. Is it clear, children? Is it clear? Is it clear? So what is the very important thing in basic geometry means? Just you have to know that what is mean by the points, line, line segment, rays, intersecting, parallel, collinear, curvilinear, okay. See arms, interior, exterior, and then what is that? Angles. So these are the things we have discussed in this class, children. Okay, thank you children. To receive our online lesson, please press the subscribe button and you will get the latest updates. Thank you.